This is our 1999 Atrump heavy-duty vertical milling machine. It's a model K3V. You have an 11 by 58 inch table, a large knee, 3 horsepower R8, 3 power feeds, and a nice new old DRO. Power drawbar also. We'll give you a quick, it's got also box ways, hardened and ground, that are very nice. The table, super clean, not a hit on it. The head, new DRO, longitudinal feed, cross feed, feed on the knee. Going to adjust it down to show you the table feeds working. First will be the cross, powering on. Changing direction. Next is the knee. Knee coming up, rapid, slowing down, going back down, speeding up, rapid. Just need to change a plug. This will be for the longitudinal. Powering up. Slow. Rapid. Going back slow. Other direction. Rapid. I'll bring the head on, but I'll put the camera back up so you can see. In high range. In low range now. And this is our very nice Atrump vertical milling machine. Thank you for watching our video.